Welcome. My name is Marina, and I'm a data analyst at LS Retail. In this video, I will present to you the Sales Analytics report for LS Central. To first find the Sales Analytics report, you can go to LS Central online help page and find it under LS Central modules, Analytics, Reports, Sales Analytics. By clicking at the link Sales Report with sample data, you can easily access and explore this report. This report was created as a blueprint for your sales data analytical discovery. The initial page, or navigation page, outlines several and different pertinent examples on how to analyze your sales data. From a sales overview for following trend development over time, to store sales and staff analysis, among others. Let's now dive into some of this report pages and their analysis. It is vital for any business to know what are their sales and how are these developing. The Sales Overview page report provides answers to straightforward questions such as: what are my sales? How many products have I sold? And are my sales increasing or decreasing? We can further question our sales data. What are my top 10 products and what are my bottom or least sold products? Easily, you can find the answers to these questions at the Top 10 Items report page. As a business owner, you have the need for resource management. You can ask, at what times and in which weekdays do I sell more products? The Sales Analysis Hour and weekday pages provide you with a visual assessment to your sales distribution. If your business has several stores and you would like to not only see their overall numbers, but also to be able to compare their performance, the Store Overview page report is a good starting point. By clicking and thereby selecting one store, you can evaluate this store's particular performance. And at the Store Performance table, you can compare several relevant metrics such as net sales and average net sales per transaction between stores and their POS terminals. If wanting to understand not only your brick-and-mortar store locations and realize your investment in different channels, the Store Channel Overview report allows you to do just that. Here, you can track sales for both your physical and online stores, and realize the percentage impact of this in your total sales. On another angle, if wanting to further understand your POS transactions and how these are being created by your staff, the POS Transaction Overview report allows you to easily engage with such an analysis. A simple click at one of the staff members' name, listed at the bar chart at the left-hand side, provides filtering into the different types of POS transactions performed over time by that individual. If wanting to further evaluate staff performance, we can proceed to the Staff Overview report. Here, you can find further descriptive measures such as net sales and products sold by staff. Another important business performance indicator is the budget versus actual results. At the Budget Overview page, you can analyze your estimated numbers compared to the actuals and see the variance percentage towards your set goals. Finally, if you want to explore the report's data assets within its semantic model, you can dive into the Sales Dataset Items report. Here you can search for all report tables and its columns using the text slicer just above. You can explore the table's relationships and search alphabetically and retrieve any measure utilized at this report, together with its respective DAX formula. If you would like to find out how to install our analytics product package, and within it access and connect the Sales Analytics report to your own data, go to LS Central Online Help, LS Central Modules, Analytics, Onboarding Process, where you can learn all about it. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time.